Wanna achieve that glowy skin with 3 products in 3 simple steps? Keep on watching. First, you're gonna use a facial wash. The one that I'm using in this video is Origin's Ginseng Refresher Scrub Cleanser. You can choose whichever one that you want. I just prefer this one because it has little micro beads that makes my skin feel so good. Rub, rub, rub. Y'all know what to do. I'm about to speed this up. Next up, I have Dickinson's Witch Hazel. This liquid acts as an astringent to help shrink your pores, soothe your skin, and reduce inflammation. So if you have oily or combo skin, you are going to love this. Here I have Clinique's Moisturizing Lotion. You always want to follow up with a moisturizer, especially after using a toner. And there you have it. Beautiful, glowing skin in 3 simple steps, y'all. Let me know in the comment box below what products you use to achieve your glow. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Later.